Hi, welcome to PowerShell for SQL Server DBA day 1 class. Not day 1, it is a day 4.5 because till 4 video has been released. So I am going with 1.5. Okay, so guys, I think what I am assuming, like yesterday I have sent that all document, PPT and videos. You all are getting it, right? Because now I have made everything not restricted anything, so anybody can watch that video. But from today class, I'm going to make it restricted only. So next class, not today. Today I will be make free, but next class, day 2 class, will be all video will be restricted. So who has paid, only those people will able to access that video and document you will get. So till today I am not do anything, but day 2 class we will start like that. And I'm assuming like you all people is going through my script, you are going, and whatever I am teaching, you are going and just doing the practical. So I will go one by one. This script, it is done already. This is nothing is there. I think just it is passing the parameter. This is not, this one is already done, and I have told you to implement the enable or disabling it. How to enable, just right here, once you are stopping the services, it has to be disabled. So you can see that already how to disable it. I have written that simple stop. If you want to disable, you can write startup type disable. If you will add this command, so automatically it is going to be disable the services. We will go and we'll see into the practical. I'm going this very fast because it is not you will no need of explaining this all. So I have given my services this dollar, means already I have explained in last class, so no need of explaining more. So this value will be get services, detail of this services is going to be stored here. After that what happened, we are going with the if loop. It is checking if this is status is running, what it has to do. If that status is correct, go inside that loop. If this status is if statement is not correct, then go to the else statement. Okay, and write it this name. So if it is running, go inside that, stop that services, right? After that, you go and disable it. For disabling it, set services, you give this name here. I have given directly hard coded this name. If you want, you can give the dollar this value also, because this variable will contain this name only, and we will go and disable it, right? If it is already it is not equal to running, if it means it is a stop, so it will go to the in this loop, and it will match with your status is stop. If it is stop, it will go and it will be going and just stop the services. So why I have given again, why I am checking it? So because if the status is not equal to running, so it meaning or not, it the meaning of this means not it is stop. It will be goes for the pending state also, or something different state also. SQL Server will goes, right? Maybe it in process of starting, right? It is not started, it is not a stop, it is some process of starting. You will see many time, like once you will start, I think in you will see into the net backup, sometime they will send that. So it is running state, it is starting state or pending state. There will be many state will come, stop state, so like that. So if it is not equal to running, it the meaning is not this means it is a stop. Maybe in the different state also, it will be not running, mean it will go to here and it will check it is stopped or not. The status is stopped. If it is stopped, then only it will display. It will be going under some different thing, it is not going to show you. So you can write one more line here. If it is not equal to stop, just display like SQL Server is not running, it is not a state, not a stop, it is in a pending state, something like that. If you want, you can add this line also. So I will just see that SQL Server, it is in the running state. I will stop this. So this is very simple thing. So just I will run this. So what happened now? This is already stopped. Oh, sorry, I have to start this. Writing the script for if it is running, then stop it. So it was already stopped. So that's why it's went here and it is checked. So I am running this. So this time what happened? It is went here, and if I will go here and if I will refresh it, what will see? It is went into the disabled state. You can see it is went into the disabled state. So like that, if you want, you can do it for stopping and disabling, because once you are getting the request to stop the all services, so you will get you are disabling it. You are not putting into the automatic state, because if it is automatic state, once the server will come up, your SQL Server will also come up. That is not good. Like you have to start. That only we are following into this process. But why we are doing it, there is a big story. That one we will discuss later. That is not here. So, but this is only for again one more thing. So I am providing this name, right? This name means I am giving that service name. Real time you will not get, nobody will send you this name, right? All will send you this name only. So how we can convert this name to that name, we will discuss into the next class. So not now. So just I am here. After that, I am explaining you how we can do for the multiple of server, right? So for each loop I have written. So I'm not explaining you now, because I will explain first for each loop example, then I will go through this script. So be remember, just remember me, I have to explain this. Okay, so you got it, like disabling, how to disable it. You want, you can add into that script. So I will go to the next script. Okay, this is the loop. So after explaining get services, start. Okay, this is a simple thing only. This is a simple thing only. You will understood this. No need of explaining this. This is also very simple thing. Status. This is also not to explain. Okay. Okay, I will go through this command first. Few we will going to explain you this. So be remember, I have to explain this. So few things. So just I will see whether it is working or not for me. Path is correct or not. Okay, path is correct. So what happened here? If you want to write anything, so what you have generated out hyphen file you have given, right? If you want to write anything, or if you want to read from the any notepad file, this is the command get content command. Get content command, where from where it will come? It will come from get command only. When we are running the get command, you will see multiple of command it is came, right? In this only there is one command that is called get content. Get content command is used for reading that any file, any notepad or any Excel. If you want to read, so you have to go through in this way, get content, you give hyphen path and you give the location. I am reading my error log. So just example, you can read the error log. If you want, you can read notepad, whatever you want. So if I'm running, so whatever error log file is there, everything is going to be display into this. So again, second thing, what I'm going to do, just this time I'm going and I'm reading my this one, all server.txt. All server.txt, what I have in, it's having 3 line, right? This time I am reading that notepad file. So for reading the notepad, what is that? You can go with the same get content hyphen path and you give the location. And after that, if you are going giving hyphen count 3, means it is going to read the top 3 line, right? If you are running only this much, it is going to display all. It is going to display all. If you are adding hyphen total count 3, means it is going to read only the 3 line. After that, if you are writing set content means from that Excel file, you are going to create one more thing. You are filtering and you are creating it. I have given like top 3, and I am going to create one more that is called server1.txt file. So once again, server, where is server1? It is there. Server1 is there. So I will see that. Okay, leave it. I will append that. So I will run this script. So what is happening now? If I will open it, so what happened? It is coming. The path is wrong. I think my path is not correct. That's why it is generating the result maybe in some other place. So now you can see whatever it is there in this text file, means here 3 only line is there, but I want to copy top 2. So I will paste here 2. And then if I will learn what happened, that in your full notepad file, it will filter only 2 and it will create the copy here 2 line. If I will give here 1, so what happened? It will be go and filter only top 1 line. And it will be go and it will take the all data from this, and from here it will be verify, like I'm matching top 1. So top 1 it will take, and then top 1 it will create one more file and it will keep here. This is important whenever you have to create one report. In that report, just you have to find from error log. If you are filtering, if any error is occur, so filter that error part only and create one more notepad file, attach this notepad file into the email and send it to either SQL team or some other team. Or otherwise, if you are saying that login failure, if you want, you can filter that kind of thing, create one notepad file, send it to security team. Or something, somebody is, you are finding into the, you have enabled some auditing thing and it is going and captured into, it's captured like your it is captured your related to some SQL Server stuff. And then if you are going to, it will be create one file and then you are going to send it to any team. So like that, if you want. So this is like that we will filter. So how to send this all, we will discuss later classes, not now. So now you just understood these things. So like say, see, next example I have given. This time what happening, from this error log file, I am matching with error. So if the error will occurs into this error log, then only it is going to be displayed. Right? So you can see that somewhere error is there. So that's why we are able to see. You want, you can put this line here, set to this. Okay. After, if I am running this, what is going to happen? It is going to filter from there and writing into this. And what you want this file to be sent to your some team. So you will write one more logic there, generate this notepad file, means from filter from there, generate the notepad file, send it to team. If you want to zip this file and then you have to send, so I have explained you how to install the zip. I have not explained you how to zip the file. So next class I am going to explain you how to zip the file if you have generated. So day by day you will come to know everything. So now I am just generating the file. So be concentrated on generating the file. So like that you will generate, right? No doubt. So if you want, you can append also. If you will give here hyphen append, means same file only it is going to be right. If I one time if I run, so one data will be there. If I run two times, so in the same file it is going to append. It is not going to do the override. I think I have not given the correct path. That's why it is giving that wrong result. So I have to give this one, because every time I'm teaching, so this time I have run one time and two times. So what happened? My same file, oh no, this server one. So it is coming here and it is not in good format, because once I will explain you the formatting that file and all, then you will understood how to make that good result, right? So like this you will able to do that. Next one is, if you want any text file you have, and in the text file you want to write anything yours, whatever you want. So you can give, like you can set content, you can give, and you can give the file and you can write something hello or I am something. So it will be going to write into this file. So what I will do, I will just take this location. Okay. And I'm writing in 1, 2, 3, 4. I've written hello. So what happened here? 1, 2, 3, where it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is written hello here. I will write here hello. I am Powershell. So if I will run this, so what happened in this? This is going to be written. So this is very small thing, but it is very important in the later classes. Something you want to create your own size of report, and whenever I will teach merge the HTML with Powershell, that time this kind of thing will be very important. Okay, so get content already, you know. If you want to read, I don't want to go for that path. If I want to direct, I want to read, so you can set contentment. If you want to write anything, and get content means if you want to read the data from that node file. So tomorrow, so you can see here down, so it is read that notepad file. So okay, so not only that much, we can do with the replacing also. Just I will, you can see here in this what is this file, servers.txt. I will go to this server.txt. If I will go, so you can see here I have written Ramesh 1, 2, 3, and you can see this like this Ramesh is there, right? So what I am going to do here, what I am going to do, where the Ramesh is there, no, I want to replace Ramesh with Ramesh new, and create one file with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is correct. So what I will do, I will give that file name here. Okay, so what happened? Get content, it is reading the file. After that, I have written for each object. That one I will explain you whenever I am going to explain you that loop part. So then you will understood. For here, I am basics. I will explain you for each object. Once you are giving, I am giving dollar underscore, means what is taking, it is taking the first data from here, it is putting here, and it is matching the first data, means first row, with Ramesh. If it is matching with Ramesh, what it will do, it is going to replace that Ramesh with Ramesh new. So if I will go to the server and I will check what is there, so you will see this is the Ramesh, so it will replace with Ramesh new. Here what happened, it will replace with Ramesh new 1 2 3. This one will remain AAFS Ramesh new. Got it? Here it is Ramesh, it is 1 2 3 Ramesh new, then GASDH, something will come like that. So I will just copy this for your reference somewhere. Okay, so I am running this now. So don't worry, I am going to give you this example again for each object, and for each, this two example I have to explain you, not now. For here, just you understood, for each object, I am creating one variable here. So data which is filtering from first here, it will go here. First line is first, it will be replaced, it will match whether Ramesh is there or not. If that is match with Ramesh is replacing with Ramesh new. Got it? And after that, again we are writing set content, means it is creating one notepad file. Already it is there, but if I will delete it, it will create new one, and it is writing that all new data here. So if I will run now, so what happened now? So I have to go to 1 2 3 4. If I will go to 1 2 3 4, it is replaced in that fashion. If I will paste it, so Ramesh is replaced with Ramesh new. Here Ramesh 1 2 3 was there, so Ramesh is replaced with Ramesh new. Then after that 1 2 3 has been added. Here it was AFS Ramesh, so it is Ramesh AFS Ramesh new. So whatever it is there, it is going to be replaced that all. I think no doubt till here, right? Small thing, but it is very useful. So if you want to get content, I have already explained you. And if you want, you can write in this fashion also, get content, replace Ramesh with Ramesh, and set. So this is also one way to write that same command. Either you go with this, either you go with this. That also you can do. So no doubt till here.
Set content is like declaring. It's a kind of a variable, right? We are keeping.
Your voice is not clear. Tell me again.
Sir, set content is like we are declaring some of the contents in that notepad, right?
Set content means, or get content. Get content is the command. Using this command, you have to pass hyphen path, and you have to give that location of the Excel file. If you are going to get content, means it is reading that file from this location. Set content means if you want to write anything into that file or some different file. Get content, set content, get content. Get content if you want to read anything. So see here, if I will run this get content, means what is going to be happen? 1 2 3 4. You will give this location. I will give this location. I will give this location. If I am reading this, what happened? In that location, there is one file is there, 1 2 3 4. I am reading this file. So it is reading it, right? Same thing I have open and shown you. No doubt?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Okay, fine. I'm moving forth to next. Yes, go ahead. No problem.
Yeah, I have one doubt. So in the previous code, so in the for each object, so you have mentioned $_, right? So it means to loop to read the content from the first field, like you said. So no. In case if I want, here only. So in case if my file is having like two things like server name and host, I mean instance name. So instance name is in the second field. So do I need to mention $2 over there to read from the second field?
No, it is going to. You are asking this one, or this one?
No. The 9th one only. Yeah, correct. This one only. Yeah.
Wait. After 10 minutes, again it will be log up. Please log in again, guys. Okay, so here automatically it is reading every line. It will, if you are giving for each, means first it will read from here, first line and it will be match with Ramesh. Again, it will go for second line. So what you are asking, your question, I got it. Just example. You are asking means just you are writing anything, any program, like how that PowerShell will read, like you have given server name. You are asking this question. You have given some server name here. You are given database name. So how PowerShell will read server name from here? How it will read database name from here? This is your question.
No. My question is, after server name, there is a tab. Then later on, we have mentioned the database name. So I want to filter the database name, not the server name.
So you can match how I have here. I have match where $match is equal to error. I have given. You give that whatever you want. So in that, this is the error log file. I have given this example. No, in this error log file, if I will read whatever you are saying, lot of detail, right? In that I am matching only error part. So what I will do?
Server names won't be the same for each and every line, right? So you understood. I hope you understood my question. So if you open that notepad, so my question is like, I am having second field.
Okay, so second field means something you have written server name, right?
Name, then tab, not the next line. In the tab, I am having the database name as well.
Okay, this is your doubt. Okay, I will going to explain you. Don't worry. Today only I will explain these things in the more detail. Just give me some time. I told no 2-3 classes you will don't have any doubt. I will explain you after this. After explaining this, I will explain you. This is the just one second. Once I will going to explain you this script, you will able to understood. There we have to use the split function. Using the split function, and this is not, your doubt will not clear totally here. When I will explain you the third part, then you will understood that all. But your doubt will be clear here. We have to use the split function. We have to tell this how you have written it, how SQL Server will it. So just I will explain you this script, then you will understood. Your doubt will automatically it will clear. Don't worry.
Okay,
and now I got it. Means something you are writing into this way, or you have written something in this fashion, right? So just I will in that comma you have given how SQL Server will read this one, this one, this one, or either you have given space, or either you have given tab, or either you have given comma, something like that. So it has to read the each of one by one each line, right?
Correct.
So I will explain you that. Don't worry. Just let this class to be complete. I will clear your doubt that one also. So just I will going with at 10 minutes after 6 minutes, my this one will be log off. So guys, please log in again. So I'm going with 2 example here. And what is this 2 example? So see, a 2 days class or 2-3 days class, it will go like this only. So later after 2 class, we are going to develop the script. Now I am just teaching everything basic. At least you will have to remember that all PowerShell. Okay, so here what is the difference between this script and this script? Just we'll go through it. Here what I have written just if loop, and here I have written for each loop. So be understood. There is one more thing. People will confuse here in 3 things: if loop, for each loop, and for each object. Just now I have explained you, right? For each object. Okay, these 3 command, all people will get confused. So just I will go through it. Very small example I have taken here. What I have done, I have taken one variable. In that variable, I am going and reading the get content. If I will give get content, this one means it will be take the all data from here. Stop services.text. I will see what is there into the stop services. So it is 3 service name has been written here. PowerShell 12, PowerShell 12.dr, and PowerShell 2009. So 12.dr, it is disabled. I have to automatic. I will make that 12.dr and 2019. All 3 are running. So fine now. So what happened now? So all data it is reading from this notepad, and I will correct my path. Okay. So the value means if I will read this one dollar, this one, so it will be stored the all value, whatever it is there into this notepad, right? This text file. Second thing, what I'm giving, I am just saving my detail to in this variable get content. I have given the path, the value of this, what it will be there in this, right? So it will be saved here. After that, what I'm doing, I am matching with status is equal to running. if the status is equal to running, for which one? It will be go 1, 2, 3, right? First it will check this, second it will check this, third it will check this. If it is running, then it is going to be display. It will go to the loop, and what is going to display? It will display this first. So what is this? This having the all three result, whatever it is there. After that, what? It is going to display the status. So if I will run this, what result I am getting? I am getting 3 data at a time and 3 data at a time, because for loop when I have given. So what it has done, it is, so all notepad, whatever the data is there, it is stored into this value, right? Means all 3 value. So all 3 value has displayed in one time. If it is going here, if the status is running, then only it is going inside that, and it is displaying the result for all 3, right? But what happening here, if I will run this one, so this time the same result is coming, but first it is giving what? Your status, then it is giving that server name, means service name, then it is giving that other one status, it's giving your this one, third one is giving in this fashion. So it is giving into the 3 different fashion, right? So first this, then it is given the result for this, then second is this services name, then giving it is running or not, third one is this services name, it is giving what is this services is running or what happened, status of that. So how it is happen now? You see here, I told you for each means it is rotating into the loop. So what happened here? Get content means how you have to declare for each. I have taken one variable, you have to write in. After that, you have given that text file. So it is going, it is reading that first line of that your node file, where it is that stop server. So it is taken this one first, right? So this first it is taken, and what happened is taken, and what it it is putting here. So from here, it taking the first one, first line, it is saving into the $SVR. After that, what happened? That value of this SVR means this one, means this service name, it is going here, and it is taking the get services detail. You know that last class I have shown you, and that value of that all detail about that services, it will be stored here, right? After that, it is going if loop. If loop means if that status is checking, if it is running, then it is going to display what? Means your first, means first server means service name, then your status name. That's why it came first here and second one. After that, it went for the second one loop, second one data it is taken, right? Then it is displayed this. Then finally it is went for the third, and third data is displayed, right? So here what I want to explain you, if you are going with for each you have to declare in this fashion. For each syntax will be in this fashion. You will type like this and like this, and for each you have to type $a any variable in, and you have to give means any variable or anything, whatever you want to pass from here. I will give comma a. Oh, so simple thing. B, C. So first time it will take A, and it will put here. Second time it will take B, it will put here. Third time it will take C, it will put here. So same thing, that this much is small only we have done in big. So this is nothing but this one. In means in, and ABC I have directly I have written here. Here I am taking from